Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in Canton, New York at the Fairfield by Marriott Inn Suites. Let's go check out the room. Join me. So we just got here and we're about to check in. But first I thought I'd look around and see what there is to do. First time here in Canton. So we got a Pizza Hut right here. Literally right in the backyard. We got a Subway, do your laundry, liquor, Dollar Tree, and what is this? I don't know what that is. Food store, another Dollar General, Price Chopper, Burger King, all kinds of stuff here. Fun. But is the room nice? Is it going to be up to my standards? I know the pool is going to be teeny tiny, but that's all good. The hotel should be nice. I've read some great reviews. Let's go check it out.
All right, let's get in. So here is the eating area. There is fresh, free breakfast every morning. And you can charge your phones before you're off on the road. Really, really pretty little place. The furniture looks high end. And oh, I see a waffle maker. I guess they're gonna put out the spread over here tomorrow morning. And there's coffees here. Hot chocolates. Tea. Ooh, I might have a tea. And then there is just a business desk in case you have to print any papers. And there is the lobby. Really comfy, cozy. Fireplace, TV, little bench by the window, table here in case you want to play any games. It's really, really nice hotel. Alright, and that is the lobby and eating area. I'm guessing that the pool area is down here. This is where you check in. And you can get snacks and stuff over there. Alright, let's look for the pool.
Breakfast area. The pool should be around here somewhere. It's on the first floor, so it should be.
Oh, there's a nice gym. If you want to wake up early, get a workout in, you know? We're not those people. Maybe we should be. And then, pool area. Yep, let's go. Oh, it's a small little pool. Teeny, tiny little pool. Oh, it's nice and warm in here, though.
It's quaint. It's hot in here.
It's warm in here, so that's good.
Did you shoot the outside? Look how nice it is.
Okay.
Fire pits outside there.
And we're gonna go check that out shortly. But there's the pool area. No jacuzzi, unfortunately. Wonder, you think we can go out from that door? All right, let's go out. There's actual grills and fire pits. Let's get on out here. So if you get yourself some hamburgers or hot dogs, you can go ahead and grill. They give you the option. There's a whole ton of seating area out here. And there's the Weber. Very nice. And then it's very quaint back here. All wooded. More seating. And I'm hoping that tonight we get to sit around here and enjoy the fire pit. All right. This is a really lovely hotel. We'll get back to you when we get to the room. I just wanted you guys to see the detail on the walls. It's really pretty. Elevator is here. We're gonna go up to our room shortly, but the walls, it's wood patterned. I love it. It's a beautiful corridor, very clean. We are at the last room, 301. And let's figure out how to open the door now. Let's go inside. Oh, that's a cool curtain. All right, let me open some lights. Oh, wow. Very nice. We got some hooks here. Another hook there. Beautiful queen beds. Look at the curtain. That's the curtain. It's not outside. There's a nice little bench here. A work desk area. It's a 55-inch TV. Some cupboard space and our dresser, and then there's cupboard space here. Put all your stuff in there. Another hook. Microwave. Mini coffee maker and refrigerator. Let's open that up. It's always good to have. It's enough for our drinks. And let's go to the bathroom. Oh wow, very stylish hotel room. Beautiful. I think that's granite countertops. I love the colors that they use. A huge walk-in shower. I love that it's not a tub, because who really uses the tubs in a hotel? Another hook here. They provide the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Towels. Toilet. Oh, I think this is one of the cleanest hotels I've been in a while too. Really, really nice, guys. Really nice. Big mirror. I am loving it. It's beautiful. Beds look really comfy. The linen looks very high end. Backboards. Really nice. Beautiful room, guys. Let's open up all the lights. Can you do that here? Yes. Boom. This light is nice and retro and cool. Let's see how it looks turned on. I can find the switch. Oh, I can't find the switch. That's okay. I'm sure it'll brighten up. Oh, and that's not hooks, those are lights. That's cool. We can have a light on while our little guy sleeps in the next bed. So, well, guys, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed in this room. Pretty impressed. I will let you know how tomorrow morning our sleep and our breakfast is. Stay tuned. It is the next morning, and our sleep was pretty good.
Very good sleep, comfy beds,
Comfy.
super clean hotel, guys.
Super
Cannot
clean.
recommend it enough.
We maybe had a few issues with pillows, but it was a really good sleep, really quiet hotel. Now we are at the breakfast, so let's go check it out. All right, so there's the ever famous make your own waffle station, and then bacon and sausage. Wow. Ooh, cheese omelets and cheese egg biscuits. There's no more juice though. There's the cereal station, some fruit to go, yogurt and milk, some water, really clean. We have our coffee station. I will be having one shortly. Along with toast and bagels and oatmeal station. So all in all, pretty nice breakfast. All right, guys. I would say if this hotel is a 9.5. I mean, everything is spotless. We're having a really great time, and it's beautiful here. Less Mondays, more summer, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Okay.